Now, I made this straight edge guide so that I don't have to worry about the cut. The way it works, the edge of the router rides against this edge, the guide edge, but this edge right here shows me exactly where the cut's gonna be. That's because I actually made this oversized first, ran the router down the length of it, so that gives me exactly the cut that the router's gonna make. I can just put the edge right against here and take off. But there's one other thing that I kind of have to worry about. If my router rocks any during the process, I'm not going to have a straight line to lay my veneer in. I'll actually have a mess. So I'm going to take this piece of material, which is the same thickness material that my jig's made out of, and I'm just going to lay it down here. So that gives me something for both sides of my router base to rest on. Now, as long as I keep the edge of my router against the fence, I should just get a perfect cut.